Now it's my turn.
It's Benedict.
Oh my God.
After.
Lumi. Hi mga ka-wonders! Welcome to Wondery Cucina and welcome to the vlog. And the vlog, welcome to that. Now, on behalf of Chef Mark, we are here today, weeknight actually, para gumawa ng pizza. Now, kasi nakabili kami ng dough, mura lang. So, nag-crave kami biglaan ng pizza habang nandun kami sa grocery. Actually, hindi namin matatawag yung dough kasi circle na siya.
Oh my God.
At saka parang pinapay na. Nakabili kami ng pizza bread. So, mura lang kasi siya and we suddenly crave for pizza kasi napakadali na lang gawin. Lagyan na lang ng mga toppings and all that things, cheese, and all that ingredients na gusto namin ilagay sa pizza. Now, gagawin natin to. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to Wondery Cucina and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong videos namin. Daghang salamat sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta ng Wondery Cucina. And we are going to 35,000 subscribers. Currently, we are on 32,000. So keep it coming, guys. Daghang salamat sa mga sumusuporta. And click that notification bell palagi para ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong videos namin. And ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng pizza. So meron kami pizza dough na gawa na. So these are 6 pieces. So yan, 13 dirhams lang pang pagkabili namin. Yes, tama, 6 bread pizza. And then meron kami nabiling yan, hot sauce. Meron kaming mushroom, pineapple, mozzarella cheese. May isa pang cheese, that's white cheese. Tapos may binili kaming isa pang cheese. Actually, this is a kind of cheese na mura lang, nag-sale kasi. This is yung milk cheese na pwede lang kainin diretso. And then, pizza sauce. Now, what will make this more interesting? Kasi, ayun, paubos na pala itong parmesan ng kapatid ko. So, gagamitin natin yan. So, gagamitin natin lahat to. But we're not going to cook all the 6 breads. Kailangan na natin ng siguro 2 for tonight. This is just a food trip night anyway. Hindi naman talaga itong dinner namin. Because it's kind of late. So there you go. So gawa na tayo. So samahan din natin siya ng oregano. Pampalasa. So, gawa na tayo. Let's heat up our oven. Just turn it on. There you go, guys. This is our pizza. So first, lalagyan ko siya ng mozzarella cheese. Yung mozzarella is yung super sticky na cheese. Ito yung nilalagay usually sa lasagna and sa pizza. Gusto ko marami. Yan. This is a homemade pizza so walang limit sa paglagay ng cheese. Kung ano mang gusto nyo, lagay nyo lang. Next, lalagyan na to ng itong cheese na binili namin na naka-sale din. Triangular cheese to. Regular ano lang yun, triangle cheese. Milk cheese. Ta-da! Alam niyo guys, kung gusto niyo, you can actually use cheese whiz kung gusto niyo.
Wow!
Yeah. Next. And next, lalagyan natin ng Parmesan cheese. Ito yung pangatlong cheese natin na ilalagay. And so, dadagdagan pa natin isang klaseng cheese. I'm just putting anything what I can. Yeah. So, let's use this one. Pizza pan. At gabihan. Atuloy butang atong. Pila ka cheese? 4 formaggi.
Wow!
4 kinds of cheese mo daw. So, muna siya. 4 formaggi mga ka-wonders. Let's wait for 10 minutes. Yan na 10 minutes na. So while we are waiting for the next, ang sunod ng buhatan is we're going to do a whatsoever pizza. Lagyan natin ng pizza sauce. And then the the chorizos. I'm going to use my almost over chorizo bilbao. Nagikan pag Cebu.
Wow!
There you have it, mga ka-wonders. Dibutang na to white cheese. Wait, before makuan mawala ang kuan sa sauce, dapat na space for oregano. Dibutang na to cheese. Tama na to, mas kinasa. And then, I forgot something. Onions. Some onions.
Oh my god.
Okay. And now, what we will do next, lagyan na natin siya ng mozzarella. I think the mozzarella should have been the base. Gusto ko lang malagyan ko whatever I like, what's in my head right now. Let's add some mushroom. Alright guys, look at that. And I don't know why it didn't melt. This is not the melting kind of pizza. The melting kind of cheese. But it's so soft. I know that.
Okay!
While I leave that there, I'm going to put this in. Ta-da! Wow! Okay. There you go. And then let's slice this soft. So let's serve this.
There's no one there.
Tingnan natin mga ka-wonders.
Living in one room. Circus Baby is an animatronic, of course, and she's the leader. Before Ennard was the leader, but now it was Circus Baby. Jut's in. Why are you ignoring him? Okay, continuing about the story. Cheers! Ready? Casimir's Pizzeria!
Now it's my turn.
It's Benedict. Walking corpse.
Oh my God.
After.
Lami.
And also,
Mm.
it's been so long.
Second batch is done. Yeah, I think that's okay. Dali natin dito. Let's lax this up. Because I know this is going to be delicious. There you have it. Now, let's serve this up. Of course, this time akong unang titikim.
Yes! Di init.
Sakto ra. Well, No!
Oh, no!
Butang na lang sa daan.
Oh. Mm.
Wow!
That's it up.
Wow!
Di ako na namin.
Anyway, this is our food trip weekday dito sa Wandering Casino with the whole gang. So, I'm going to distribute this to the whole family, punta ako ng room to room, just like what I did with the cheese pizza. The quattro formaggi na hindi makakasosyalang cheese, but it worked. Sobrang sarap. And this is an instant dough na binili namin. The dough, this bread is fine. It's actually okay. It's I can't complain na hindi siya masarap. Okay na okay siya. And hindi ko nagamit yung pineapple slices, but this one's perfect. This is okay with all the chorizo bilbao and the cheese and the onions and the mushrooms. Anyway, daghang salamat mga ka-wonders. Thank you very much for watching. This is our pizza weekday episode. On behalf of Chef Mark, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong videos namin. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you very much once again. Ako si Chakoy. Stay cool, stay safe, and peace. Oh my God!
Oh my god.
Go. Include this one. Good. Go. Bite, bite, bite. Oh!
Oh
I'm going to
no!
feast on it.
Don't worry.